What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable your always on display since the latest update for Samsung may have changed some of your settings. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, I've been getting a lot of complaints about the latest update. One of them is being that you can no longer access your always on display or you don't know where to find it. So there's three ways to do this. I'm going to quickly show you all three. The first and easiest one is to pull down your menu. And then in the second box here, you've got your cameras, your location, Wi-Fi, all that stuff. If you pull it down, this is where your always on display should be. Right now, we don't have always on display anywhere. So in order to fix that, all you have to do is click on the pencil icon at the top. And then within that second box, you're going to click on the edit button. Now from here, you've got available buttons down at the bottom, and you've got a list to choose from. You can go ahead and add whatever it is that you want, but right now we're talking about always on display, which is right here. We're going to click on it and drag it to the box and then drop it and hit done. Hit done again. And now whenever you pull down this box, your always on display will be right here. Now as you guys can see, it is off right now. In order to turn it on, all you have to do is click on it and your always display will now be on. So that is the first way to do it. Now the second way is really easy. All you have to do is pull down on your screen, click on settings, and then click on the search icon at the top and type in AOD for always on display, and then click always on display at the top. You see that it's on right now. If you want to turn it off, it's off. You want to turn it on, it's on. And you can also click on this in order to see what's available on your always on display. And then the last way to do this is to scroll down and click on your settings and then scroll down to lock screen and AOD. Click on that and that's going to bring you to the same area where you have always on display. You can turn it off or on, and then once again click within that area in order to choose and customize it. So hopefully this helped you find your always on display. I had heard plenty of people complaining about that. In our next video, we will show you how to actually customize your clock. So if you like this video or anything else that I do, consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.